GRYB International is a manufacturer of various attachments. My name is Jessie Roy. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for the group, or the parent company, GRYB International. We're going to take you for a little tour around our various companies and the various products that we have in the booth. Starting with the demo mag. So this is manufactured by Bateman Manufacturing out of Ontario. So this is an integrated magnet into a demolition grapple. So this will allow you to sort material and magnetize with the magnet underneath. This is a hydraulic generator, also done by Bateman. So this would be a pairing to the magnet. Moving in over to the GRYB. So this is the original company, GRYB Manufacturing. This is where we do our buckets. So we have various coupler styles, buckets, HD, rippers. We do a Wainwright style, tilting, ditching buckets, root rakes. So if you're digging in through soil, you're pulling roots of trees out or debris, you can sort out rocks. We've got it in addition with a thumb. The coupler on the top of this one is an AHS, so that's designed by GRYB. So this is an innovation that we did. This allows you to rotate your bucket. So you can have a reversible bucket. So instead of just curling in, if you're working next to a foundation, you can actually curl out, dig right up against the foundation. They're great for foundation work, pipe, plumbers, if you're running drainage ditch, they're fantastic. Bateman Contractor Grapple, very, very similar to the demo mag, minus the magnet in this case. This is just your mechanical grapple. So this is if you're, again, waste applications, doing a little bit of sorting, construction, demolition. We make them in different time variations. So you can go, let's say 5 over 4. So you would have 5 tines and 4 tines, right down to 3 and 2. Finally, in this section, we're going to work with the hide mag. So this is a great innovation where you've got an integrated generator set inside of the magnet. So instead of having to mount your generator on the machine and having it solely used for that particular machine, you can swap this between machines. So this is actually a sorting grab. So this is a single cylinder. So you'll notice on one that we get to a little bit further, you'll have a dual cylinder setup. This is a single cylinder, mostly for waste. You'll also see it in C&D sorting applications. Positioned, this one also has a fast change on it. So that's one of the big innovations that's coming out with the industry right now, where the operators want to be able to drop the grapple, pick something else up without having to swap over the hydraulic systems. So the hydraulics this piece will stay on the machine. The hydraulics will quick connect between the various attachments without the operator ever having to get out. This is a Bateman Power Grab. So this one, you'll notice, has 2 cylinders. That gives you a lot more penetration power, a lot more digging power when you're going into large wood piles. You need to be able to get in and around the wood with more power, and having 2 cylinders is better for that. So Shearex is one of our other companies. They specialize in mulchers. So this is a HM, so a horizontal mulcher. These will go on large track carriers, skid steers. What we do is a bite limiting system. So these are limiters. These rings will keep you from going too far into the soil. So HM, skid steers, tracked carriers, VMs for excavators, vertical mulcher. The bigger piece of kit here, so this is Serco. So Serco manufactures loaders. So this is a knuckle boom, or what we could call a knuckle boom loader. They're also PTO driven. So we're off the power take off of the truck. We'll run the pump, which runs the hydraulics of the machine. So these are used in various applications. Most traditionally, you'll see them in logging. Coming into the demo area, so we've got a Doosan DX62, soon to be branded Devilon. Right now, what we're demoing is the GTR. So this is a co-branded tilt rotator between GRYB and SMP out of Sweden. So this particular unit has the fast change setup, so you can drop an attachment, pick up another attachment, again with the hydraulics already connected. The operator never has to get out of the cab. Very simple, very smooth. Finish off the tour here in the inside section. So this is where we've got a nice little seating area. You can watch the demos happening. We've also got a couple of demo units of the technology company. So that's e-Trak, Technology Solutions by GRYB. 2D grading systems, limiting systems for your machine for safety issues, keeping your machine from swinging too far, wheel loader scales with some great innovations that we'll talk about a little bit further. So what sets GRYB apart is our passion. It's our knowledge, it's our desire to innovate, it's to be the best in the world, to bring the best solutions in collaboration with the end users. So instead of us creating an out-of-the-box solution, we want to work with the end users, develop the product together. they're the people that use it. They know it better than we do how they're going to apply that attachment to their specific industry. So why not take their knowledge, their needs, and apply it to our skill set of manufacturing and deliver something to the industry that's tailor-made for them instead of an out-of-the-box solution.